Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. And you're probably saying, what is that thing there? What are you doing today with your 2022 hot chili pepper red Bronco Wild Track Edition? Well, there's a company that I think had a really good idea. They've taken these bungee cord, or I don't know, what do you want to call these things here? You know, whatever you want to call them, but it's not the greatest design. So a company came up with a great idea. Look, you can put your cups now over here. We're going to take this assembly out and put this assembly in and get rid of that little net, that little fish net there. And my only concern is, does this go too far in where your leg, rubs at? So really simple install, Torx, fittings, screws. Just unscrew those 6, screw this on, and I'll show you how it's gonna look on this Ice Age TV day. And what am I doing out there? I'm packing up my trailer with my Mustang and go to Tennessee. Yeah. All right. So now the first thing we're gonna do, got my little gun rod here. How about that? What size is this? Number 30. You see that there? So number 30. We're gonna go over the car here and put her on, and shouldn't take very long at all. I'm getting ready to take this down to Tennessee as well. Wife's gonna follow me in my big new F-250 Tremor, and hope you have a nice weekend. So let me get this put on, and I'll share some more stories. So first off, pretty simple process here, right? Yeah, you say, oh yeah, it's pretty simple. I can't even get this thing unscrewed, right? Look at that there, right? See, love these speed guns. So there's one. All right. When you have a speed gun, man, just life's so much easier. So just get all the screws out. Pretty long screws. So let's see here, look at that. Just kind of pops right out without too much going on there. So what do you do with this? Do we throw it in the garbage can? I don't think we're gonna do that. So now, let's see how easy this just so-called pops in, right? Interesting, this one's gonna have clips, but so already a concern here. It seems like the top here, I don't know. Let me play at this real quick. Do I have on the right side? I know I do. Left side, right side. All right, at first I thought this was gonna fit, but I think we're okay. Put one screw in the bottom, one up here on the top. I think this would be good. Let me put some more screws in here for us, so keep everything loose, which the average guy knows. And this is a great idea. Now you can put like 2 bottles in here, other little knives, your window breakout tool. Just a much better idea. I'm surprised Ford will probably capitalize on this. You never know. All right, how about that, huh? Yeah, so that's just actually, once you put screws in, it all molds right into that molded area. So now let's get in the truck and let's see here. Get all my gear out of here. Let's see if this thing hits my leg. My concern is that my leg here is going to get hit. And definitely can notice it's there. Is it radical? No. I mean, I usually kind of get my leg up like this anyways when I'm driving. So it's good. Wow, really impressed. That's a great idea. And I'll have to freaking look up the company that sold it to me. And you guys are from China? Yeah. And hopefully I can get you a link. So hope you enjoyed this Bronco video of how to make the interior of your vehicle more usable with your space, because that's a huge complaint from a lot of people, is just 2 cup holders here and just not enough cup holders. So I'll try to get the name of that company and post that in my video as well. And I'll do the other side here as well. But I think you get the idea. So I think I'm going to wrap it up with that. And yeah, I said earlier, what am I doing next? Let's go look. Yeah, I'm heading to Tennessee here. So got my GT500 loaded up, my new trailer I bought last fall, and my brand new F-250 Tremor. So I'm going to get my first tow out of her and loading her all up here. Look how tight this is. I put some covers over the wheels and tires because it's like, I mean, it's like that much from that area. So got it all strapped down, and I think we're gonna be okay. I've done it before. After your first, you go by 100 miles, you got to stop and retighten down the straps and all. So, hey, once again, thanks for watching Ice Age TV. All right, just did the right side. And let's see what we got here, right? There's a water bottle. Here's another water bottle. Look at that. You can actually put a big cup in there, so that's pretty impressive. Very impressive. Great job. Now, what's the name of the company that did this? I don't even know. Let's see here. Here is, how about that there? I don't know if you can skew that or not. So, where is the, where is my, invoice? Don't even have that. So, anyways, hopefully that skew will give us some information. This came from the Ford Bronco 6G forum. A member there posted this, or a vendor. So, there you go.